What's up? I just wanted to talk to you real quick about this Dewalt Flexvolt circular saw. Now, I have to say that this is probably the best circular saw that I've ever used, and it really surprised me considering it's battery operated. It is better than any corded one that I've ever used for sure. And this one here is the DCS577. Show you the part number right there. And the reason I'm making this video about this saw is because I've had this thing for about 2 years now, and this right here is the original saw blade that came on it, and I've used this saw quite a bit. So the fact that this saw blade lasted for 2 years being used pretty regularly, that just blows my mind. The fact that I got 2 years out of a saw blade. So keep doing what you're doing, Dewalt. God bless. Thanks for watching. The more you know, the more valuable you are. And if you watched the whole thing, if you would subscribe, like the video, throw a comment. If there's a specific type of circular saw that you use that you've been impressed with, drop it in a comment also. If you've used this circular saw or the 20-volt circular saw from Dewalt, if you got a question about anything, just shoot it over. Thank you very much.